Hello friends, this is Vinay and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Windows updates in Windows 11. So let's get started. So the first method is by using setting app, and for that you need to right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Now here you need to switch to Windows update tab on the left side, and on the right side you need to select update history. Now here you need to scroll down to this related settings section and click on uninstall updates. Now here you will get list of all the updates that you have installed recently. All you need to do is just click on this uninstall option and this will uninstall the update. But the option to uninstall updates within the setting app is available in Windows 11 build 22523. If you are running older builds, then if you head over to this related settings section under update history and click on this uninstall updates option, instead of taking you to uninstall updates page within the setting app, it will take you to installed updates page of control panel. Now here you will get the list of updates that you have installed recently, and depending on your choice you can select and uninstall the update. The second method is by using the control panel, and for that you need to click on the search icon and then type control panel. When it appears in the search results, click to open it. Now here you need to select programs and features and click on this view installed updates option available on the upper left corner. Now under Microsoft Windows section you will find the list of update installed. All you need to do is just click here and then click on this uninstall button. The third method is by using command prompt or Windows PowerShell, and for that you need to right click on the start button and then select Windows Terminal Admin from the list. And UAC dialog box appear, click yes to continue. Now depending on your choice you can either use command prompt or Windows PowerShell. To install updates you need to type command, that is WUSA space #uninstall space /kb. Now here you need to type kb number of the update that you can obtain from here. So suppose I want to uninstall this update, I will type this 5007292 5007292 and hit enter. Now this dialog box will appear asking for your confirmation. If you want to uninstall the update, click on this yes button and this will uninstall the update. So the fourth method is by using Windows recovery environment. This method is useful when you are unable to log into your Windows 11 PC, and for that first of all you need to boot your PC into Windows 11 recovery environment. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now here you need to select system on the left side, and on the right side you need to scroll down and select recovery option. Now under recovery options you will find this advanced startup option. Click on this restart now button and restart now button again. This will restart your computer. So once it's restart, your system will boot into Windows 11 recovery environment. Now here on this screen you need to select troubleshoot and then select advanced options. Now here you need to click on uninstall updates. Now you will find two options: uninstall latest quality updates and uninstall latest feature updates. Depending on your choice, select the option. I will go with the latest quality update. Now here you need to click on this uninstall quality update button. That's it. The system will uninstall any quality update that you have installed recently. So that's all about this video. These are 4 ways using which you can uninstall Windows updates in Windows 11. If you have any query, feel free to drop in the comments. Also, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.